fishing this morning back over in Geneseo. Gonna be hopping on the Hennepin Canal again. I was out last weekend for about 3 days straight, and oddly enough I didn't get a lot of footage. I really just wanted to fish and enjoy my weekend. It's a lot of bumps right there, Illinois. Let's put those tax dollars to use, please. Anyways, I was out all last weekend fishing, wrapped it up on Monday with my buddy Dylan. Haven't put anything together from that weekend yet. I don't have a lot of footage. I just wanted to fish and hang out and take some time off. It's been pretty hectic at the gym lately, and I've had a lot of work to do. Just kind of wanted to get away for a couple days. Got back on the grind all week, caught up on stuff over the weekend. Got some time to get out on the kayak this morning. We'll see what happens, see if I can catch some bass. It's still not quite pre-spawn yet here in north central Illinois. Temps are still about the same as what they were when I went out a few weeks ago. Ambient temps 30 to 40. Water temps I'm gonna estimate probably, still in the 40s, mid 40s, somewhere around there. So we're gonna get after it today and see what happens. So I'll catch you guys out on the water. Chatterbait. Alright, it's caught a decent one in the old jackhammer. Bruised green pumpkin, the Yamamoto Seiko trailer. Let's see if we can get some more. Oh my god. Tree, man. Turned out to be a pretty decent day, man. That came right out. Nice. Another one. right from underneath that tree. I had a feeling there was another one. Decent. A little smaller than the last one. Last one was a little longer, a little heavier. Good. This is a good sign. Turns out to be a good day as this water warms up. Oh. Going in one direction, it's hard to stop. Okie dokie. Okay. Not having a good time anymore. Alright, that ended earlier than I wanted it to. So, that's good. Yeah. I'm done for today. Caught a couple fish, got spun around in some circles. Not very much fun there at the end. Gonna wrap it up, get off the water. We're supposed to hit a high of 30-mile-per-hour wind day, and I think we're reaching it right now. So before I flip it or get stuck or something dumb happens, I figured I'd cut it right when I got back to the boat launch. It's about 9:53 a.m. I wanted to go down and spend another at least 2 hours on the water, but whatever. Things kind of keep getting cut short for me in this regard. Plenty of time left. Came and did what we wanted to do. That's all that really matters, all right? I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna pack up, get my stuff together, all right? Hopefully next weekend, next couple weekends, we can kind of get out here for 4 to 5, maybe 6 hours. That's the plan anyways. So tight lines, bend rods. Catch you guys later. Bird shit all over the back of my truck.